Good afternoon. Here I've got my credit card. It has a hole now. My purchase put a hole in my bank account, so. Here's the purchase. It's one of the new retro style, progressive style Reach EarPod. It's the new technology. It looks like other wireless EarPod cases that you might have seen. It comes with a bit of scuffs on the side, add a bit of the realism, and the Reach looks as though someone had actually just put it on there with a Sharpie, sort of the presidential touch. Here we go. Here we go with the unboxing. Next, the clear bottom, not sure why. Open up, there you go. And we have designed by Reach in New York City, the Big Apple, not Apple, the Big Apple. And we open it up, some interesting details. Open them up and they automatically connect. There you go. Look at that. Looks just like dental floss. You almost think it was. Even says down here, wax mint dental floss. Now I've recently changed my name to Johnson & Johnson. When I bought it, it actually is personal engraving, just like that. You open it up, sure enough, there they are, the little EarPods. A nice soft touch on that. Looks like it's using organic, familiar materials like this. You gotta reach and pull the other one out a little bit by the scruff of its hair a bit. Just like that, it clicks just like your ordinary dental floss. Even has a little over here, if you see a blade, there's a warning on the side. If you slice, you can actually slice your finger, so be careful. Adds to the a bit dangerous for the generation that likes to live dangerously. You can stick them just like this. I'll stick them in my ears right now, and you can some earwax comes out. Great for realism, very lightweight. What else do we have in here? A blank piece of instructions. Who reads them anyway, right? That's what they're telling you. Don't worry about it. Several others. You can even write letters to your friends if you want. There we have the charging pad. Looks a little bit like organic matter, really recycled in fact, almost as though it's been broken and crazy glued back together. What it really is, charging pad. Now this, in fact, brilliant, doesn't require electricity. We can stick it on there and charge it anyway. You'll never lose electricity, you never need it, but in case you want to charge it, you just set it there like that. Well, what can I say? Compared to the $200 and something competitors out there, you really get the authentic touch, throwback, retro, even have a lot number. For my money, this is the eco, progressive, this is the way to go for the new generation. Though it may put a dent in the wallet, $1,000, a little steep, but you know what is money anyway. Thanks for watching my video. Subscribe, press like.